Hi, in front of me is KRUGER MATZ Move 9 and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings. Now choose Connected Devices, Connection Preferences and tap on Bluetooth. Over here click on the switcher and tap Pair New Device. Click on device that you want to connect to, for example that one. Now tap Pair and wait for the other device to accept connection request. As you can see, my device was successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!